What's up guys, Josh back with a quick video. Today we're going to be focusing on the cowl panel on the car here, and you can see that mine's already all removed, and I had a bunch of areas of rust like all along basically this whole thing, so I had to Scotch-Brite all those down, zinc treat it, and quite a bit of rust here, just surface rust, nothing major. So while I was in there, I figured, hey, why not repaint all these top of like the strut towers and stuff like that. And this has been drying for about 8 days. Also repainted all of the fasteners for the fender. And this whole channel had just, the paint was kind of worn. I don't know why they do flat paint on the inside of these engine bays. Why aren't they clear coated like the rest of the car? It kind of bothers me, but that's all protected. Looks pretty nice. Same thing on this side. You can see like the factory paint here versus like this is a closer color to the actual body of the car. So it's just rattle can, nothing like professional grade or anything like that. But I had a little bit of rust where like the strut tower connected with the chassis of the vehicle. So got all that treated, letting it dry so when I bolt it all down it doesn't get all scuffed back up. So let's take a look at the new cowl. That's over here, so we're gonna go ahead and slip this in today. That's brand new. Got it out of Nissan at Tacoma. Has a new nice rubber seal here to keep the water from passing by. And got a new seal for the top, for the hood here. I'm replacing all the rubbers, like the rubber bumpers on the hood and stuff. If you have your car, you can see how worn they are. And I had trouble kind of finding these, how to get them through like TFA Speed or Terra Firma, and they didn't send me the right ones, especially for the hood. They didn't send me these ones, so I had to order these out of Japan. And I'll put a link in the description down below of where I got all this stuff so you can order the right stuff, because I actually bought quite a few of the wrong rubbers. Even though they said they're supposed to fit, they didn't fit, and I spent a lot of money that I could have not wasted. So we're going to go ahead and put the windshield wipers back on, get the NISMO Strut tower put back on, get new wiper blades, get this all buttoned up. And really the only place that I could not replace on the front of the body is going to be this guy here. They don't remanufacture it. I couldn't find a new one anywhere, even out of Japan. But that looks pretty good. But I replaced these, like the hood protector above the headlight. So these are all new. Mine were really all dried out, so these look great. And then as far as the rubbers that go in, pretty simple. So you can see I've got the new one there. I just lick it a little bit, and then it just basically pops right in the hole. Just like that. So that one's in there. Got a new one right here, so that's all replaced. And then the only ones that are a little tricky are these right here. So when you put these in, they actually kind of twist in. So you can get the height just right for your car, for the hood. So that's how I've got the other side set, just like that. Actually, that one's a little lower. Show you the rest of the pieces the kit comes with. So it comes with your door stopper, your door rubber, 2 tiny little rubbers for the fuel door. So these little guys, these were as hard as a rock on the ones that came out, so these are nice and spongy. And then it comes with the trunk. So the whole kit was like 90 bucks. I'll have a link in the description down below where I got it. But the bumpers that were on here weren't even correct. They weren't even the factory ones that were on the car. So you get 2 for each side in the rear, so 4 in the rear. And you can see I was getting like a weird thudding. You can see where my trunk was actually closing against the top of the headlight, and it caused the paint to wear off there. So I've got that sanded down. I got to get that treated and repainted as well. But yeah, now it closes and sounds great. Same thing here. Nice and padded. Nice and solid. Alright, let's put the cowl panel in. You gotta kind of move the trim pieces up and out of the way so you can seat this back down into the proper spot, otherwise it's hard to get it into position before you clip it in. Here's a look at that other side, so they just got the trim kind of loosened up and out of the way, and now that's down into position. Alright, let's open up our weather seal and get that in there. Alright, here's a nice look at that up close, and you can see on the install, it will only go in one orientation, so if you put it in backwards, the little holes that click into the cowl won't line up. But you've got more of the round face to the front with kind of that little lip, and more of the curved side to the back, just so you can kind of get a good look at it. But that looks pretty nice, super soft. Gonna get a nice seal. Everything looks clean now when I open up my engine bay, so that's kind of what I was going for. Alright, get the little fasteners put in and we'll be done. With the cowl anyway. Alright, this is the model number for the canoe clip. You're going to need 5 of these to put the cowl panel on. And these are the ones that have the actual Phillips screw threading on it. I'm going to just tighten these down to factory spec, 29 foot-pounds. On the windshield wipers, if you're wondering what size it is, on the driver's side it is the 20-inch, and there's a 19-inch on the passenger side, and then there's an 18-inch for the rear wiper, which I'll do in a different video. I'll have links in the description down below if you want to order the same ones. Alright, get these fender bolts tightened down and this job's done. Alright, we're all done. Let's close it. Alright, so here's those new powder coated wiper arms. High gloss black. Looks way better than the old nasty. If you've got your car, you probably know what yours look like. So the last thing we'll do, pull the blade protectors off. Alright, we're all done there. It's pretty nice. Alright, the last thing I'm going to do is install a factory NISMO sticker. Go, looks something like that there. It looks pretty cool. The original Strut bar had the NISMO sticker in the center too, so I wanted to do the kind of the same thing on this one. And you can see there's where is it at? NISMO is engraved right there. But anyway guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, give me a thumbs up. And I will see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.